Do you want your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to show different lock screen wallpaper automatically? You can use Samsung Global Goals to rotate wallpaper from different theme collection every time you turn on the screen. Let me show you how. First, tap and hold an empty area on your home screen. Then tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap the wallpaper icon at the top left. Scroll down to the Wallpaper Services section. Then tap Samsung Global Goals thumbnail. If this is your first time using Samsung Global Goals, you may see an introduction or information screen. You just need to tap continue. Here, make sure to turn it on. Next, choose the collection you want to use. You can tap select all to use every available collection, or tap other collection to select specific ones. Available collection may include concept, animation, quote, renew, restore, and seal patterns. For this example, let's choose quote, animation, and seek pattern. Once enabled, your phone will automatically show different wallpapers from the selected collection each time you turn on the screen. Samsung Global Goals is more than just a wallpaper service. It also promotes awareness of global issue and sustainability initiative through rotating wallpaper and related content. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to gallery wallpaper, dynamic lock screen, or other wallpaper services anytime. And that's how you get rotating lock screen wallpaper with Samsung Global Goals on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.